In the world we live in today, it makes sense to grow your own food. There are many reasons for this, including the use of pesticides, chemicals, and synthetic fertilizers, the price of food, the nutritional deficiencies that are found in our food today because of the depleted soils, and the shipping times required to get food from harvesting to your table, the cost to transport the food, genetically modified foods, and the lack of food security are just some of the reasons why you should grow your own food. A way to overcome all these problems with our food supply is to grow your own food by creating your own food forest. And in a food forest, you'll have a diverse perennial garden that mimics nature and the patterns found in nature. By creating different layers of design, you can mimic the same way nature does it in a forest. You'll have different layers where you'll find edible plants such as fruits and nut trees. You have shrubs, vines, mushrooms, herbs, perennial vegetables, and so forth. Food forests can be designed so that you can produce the maximum amount of nutrition and abundance while creating a beautiful environment that works with nature instead of against it.